Hey, it's Chris with Rowe Dental Laboratory, and one of the many services we offer here at Rowe is a duplicating denture service. Today we're going to focus on duplicating dentures using the Ivotion puck. Now this is an amazing material, very strong, and you'll notice that it's dual shaded, but it's all one solid piece. And in the background here, we kind of have that process going on. You can see the Ivotion being milled and the two different layers. Now, with duplicating a denture, we want a specific set of records. Of course, we want a 360-degree scan of the patient's denture. You can put a wash in there as well, so we can make it fit, a little bit better. Maybe it's just loose, but they love their occlusion. They've worn it down. They want to keep it that way. Great. You just give us a 360 of the denture, give us the opposing, and then if you've done a wash, of course, you include that in your 360. Make sure you capture the palatal seal. All the important landmarks of the denture itself. Now, with the Ivotion specifically, again, you notice we have the pink and the white back here being milled. In here, I don't know, let's see, we'll zoom in on this, but there is a scalloped design to this denture. So the pink is scalloped just like tissue. With the Ivotion, we can duplicate with certain parameters. That particular denture has to fit in the molding of this milled prosthesis. So can we do an exact duplicate? Maybe not exact, we can get it pretty close. Now there's certain tooth molds as well that we gotta follow with the Ivotion denture. So yes, we can do a duplicate with a reline. It may not be an exact duplicate of the teeth. The teeth will be improved a little bit. So we want to kind of watch what we're talking to the patient about when it comes to duplicating exact duplicates with the Ivotion. But this is one of the strongest materials out there. It's one of the most aesthetic products. So what I would suggest is if you want to do a duplicate denture with us, send in the records of their existing denture and then request the Ivotion, and we'll give you a call. We'll have a chat about maybe exactly how it's going to look and what the differences are. But highly recommend. This is an amazing product, very aesthetic, very strong, and as you can see, it's milled process that we've been doing here for about a year and a half now, and we've had a great success with it. So duplicating dentures, get us the records. We'll have a chat with the Ivotion as to how we can stay within the parameters of this puck. Any questions, please give us a call here at the lab. You can also visit our website, and please also subscribe to our YouTube page and other social medias. Thank you.